Unlock the exciting world of electronics with this DIY AM/FM radio kit, perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. This kit allows you to create your very own AM/FM medium wave radio with a digital stereo tuner, all while learning essential electronics concepts. Whether you are a student or a DIY hobbyist, this kit will help you gain practical experience in assembling and understanding circuits. The kit comes with high-quality PCB boards, and you can choose to either solder the components yourself or get a pre-assembled version. Get your hands on this amazing kit now. Enjoy free home delivery and an easy return policy exclusively at tech.diydynamic.com. Click the link in the description to order today. The kit supports both AM and FM bands, with easy manual tuning for AM and stereo digital tuning for FM. You can power the kit with 2 AA batteries or use a Type-C USB cable for DC 5-volt power. Press the power switch to turn on the radio. The display will light up, and the radio will automatically begin searching for stations. This project is simple and easy to complete. However, if you need any help or more detailed instructions, feel free to visit our website, tech.diydynamic.com. Its compact size makes it easy to carry and perfect for portable use.